peppertype AI Review Usage Experience. Links to peppertype AI are in the description, so make sure to check them out. In this video, I'll break down what peppertype AI offers, who it's designed for, and why it's one of the fastest growing AI writing assistants. peppertype AI is crafted for marketers, copywriters, and businesses that need to generate high-quality content quickly. Whether it's blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, or social media updates, the standout feature of peppertype AI is its ability to generate content in seconds based on simple input prompts. It uses GPT technology to produce engaging, natural-sounding text, making it perfect for those struggling with writer's block or tight deadlines. One of its biggest strengths is the variety of content templates available, from blog ideas to email subject lines, website headlines, and even video scripts. This means you're not just getting an AI that writes, but one that adapts to multiple content types effortlessly. peppertype AI is incredibly easy to use. The interface is clean and user-friendly, designed for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Just type in your keywords or prompts, and the AI delivers multiple suggestions instantly. For content teams, the collaboration features make it easy to manage projects and streamline workflows, ensuring that content creation is faster and more organized. Another key feature is content rephrasing and expansion, allowing you to repurpose existing content, refresh old posts, or add more depth to your articles. This is particularly useful for SEO-driven content strategies. peppertype AI also provides tone adjustments, ensuring that the output aligns with your brand voice, whether it's formal, casual, persuasive, or informative. Pricing is flexible, with scalable plans for freelancers and businesses of all sizes. Even the entry-level plan provides robust features, making it a cost-effective choice for growing teams. Overall, peppertype AI is a powerful tool for content creators looking to speed up their workflow without compromising quality. If you're in need of fresh, engaging content regularly, peppertype AI is definitely worth a try. Check the links below for more details, and if you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tool insights.